back to Smart Tech with Mia. If you're new here, subscribe for smart productivity tips. Today I'll show you 10 hidden Excel shortcuts that can save you hours in 2025. Whether you're a student, an office worker, or a data analyst, these shortcuts will help you work smarter, not harder. Shortcut number 1. Ctrl Shift L. Instantly turn filters on or off in your data table. Shortcut number 2. Alt-Enter. Need a line break inside one cell? Just press Alt-Enter. Shortcut number 3. F4. Repeat your last action instantly. For example, if you just colored a cell, press F4 to do it again. Shortcut number 4. Control semicolon. Quickly insert today's date without typing. Shortcut number 5. Ctrl Shift colon. Add the current time to your sheet instantly. Shortcut number 6. Ctrl 1. Open the Format Cells dialog where you can change fonts and borders easily. Shortcut number 7. Alt equals. Quickly sum up a column or row without typing a formula. Shortcut number 8. Ctrl Arrow Keys. Move instantly between data blocks and large sheets. Shortcut number 9. Ctrl Shift plus. Add a new row or column instantly in your table. Shortcut number 10. Ctrl Shift $. Format numbers as currency in one step. Those were 10 hidden Excel shortcuts that can make your work much faster in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tech tutorials every week.